morning everybody. We are on our penultimate day now and we are on day 23, so let's get straight in and see what we have got. Oh, this one's so delicate and beautiful. Oh, there's no name on this one. Take a guess at what it was. How about that? That's what we can do today. Take a guess at what this shade might have been for the gemstones. I wonder what it was, like rose quartz or something maybe, who knows? I don't even know whether that's a gemstone, I might have just made it up. But it is absolutely beautiful. It is so delicate, this one. It's amazing, it's so, so beautiful. Those really soft pinky purple shades together. I mean, it's definitely obviously more pink, but it's just got those beautiful tones throughout. It's absolutely gorgeous, I love it. Again, almost edible. So I'll add that in over there. Can we fit them all in? Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. My little rainbow sausage gemstone collection. It's a catchy name, wouldn't you say? So I will see you tomorrow for our very final day. Bye for now.